Good afternoon, everybody. This is the start of my college reveal. I was calling it like a college announcement, but I obviously am going to school. You guys already saw that. I just got into nursing school a week ago. What day is it today? Friday?
Friday.
Did I get in Monday? No, I got in last week. So Leah had this great idea that we should do like a gender reveal, but college edition. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna go try to run around and find some balloons so that we can reveal this to you guys. So let's go. Try number one, Safeway. Fingers crossed they have balloons. Okay, so small problem. Initially we had filled the balloon with confetti, but it was too heavy, so then it would have been really obvious. So we're going to my apartment to go get some glitter, and then we'll be back. Shout out to our girl at Safeway. She's awesome.
With me, just give you a moment, stay in a moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment, stay.
Arrived here at Tillicum Crossing, which is actually the place I announced my college 5 years ago. We had to come back and we have a gender reveal balloon announcement. So these are the 4 schools that I applied to. University of Washington, Washington State University, OHSU, and Linfield. So I'll put the names above in order so you guys can remember. I have a little thumbtack here. We're gonna pop the balloons as we go down the line, and there's one balloon that has glitter in it. That is the school that I'm going to. Woo! See about you know? No, you know? Last but not least,
I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face.
I'm going to Linfield.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we could jump to rooftop. Come watch the skyline with me.
well, I have something to tell you. How about I got into nursing school? Into Linfield in Portland. I know. I know.
Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment.
Going to Linfield. It is in Portland, Oregon, so I get to stay in the city that I call home. I'm really excited. Comment down below if you had suspicions, which school you thought I was going to go to. I want to know down below. And also comment down below for the question of the day, which school you currently go to, because I'm curious. Love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up. I start school in literally, orientation is next week, is 1 week away, and I start school 3 days after. It is crazy, but so excited to go to Linfield. It's an awesome program. The oldest nursing program in the Pacific Northwest. Really? Yeah. Go Wildcats.